Okay, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to fill in a Google slide if you're doing it as a worksheet. So you're going to start off when it's shared with you. You're going to start off by going to File, and then you're going to go to Make a Copy Entire Presentation. So once you've done that, you click OK, and then you're going to go over here. It's going to create an exact copy of it. So instead of where it says copy of, you're going to delete that and put your name. So I'm just going to put student name, math practice pages. That's so when you share it with me, I have it all in one spot and I can see easily whose it is. All right, so if we were doing Monday practice, you can do it one of two ways. So if you need to, make something bigger or, stretch it out, whatever you guys need to do, that's fine. All right, so if I was going to do this, it says try to decompose the same shape two different ways to see if the area is the same. So if you're going to do that, you could go over into this and go to either like a line. So let's say you're going to decompose it right here. You would be able to do that. Let's see, or you can use the scribble tool and just do it right on top of there, okay? And you should be able to see it. You can make the line thicker if you need to, or different colors, whatever you need to do. But then that would enable you to then do a text box, and you could do a text box right here and count the area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you could just put 15 in there. And again, if you want to make it bigger, or if you want to make it red so it's easier to see, anything like that. So you'd have 15 right here, and then you would have 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. So then I would just do another text box right here and type in 24. Again, if you wanted to make it bigger or red to stand out so that I can see. And then you just add those two together, so that would be 39. So I've now decided that this one's 39. So then now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to segment it a different way. So let me get my scribble tool. And, well, usually it lets me change color, but it's not. And then I'm going to segment it this way. Okay, so now I'm going to say, 3 times 3 is 9. I'm going to go ahead and put that here. And then down here, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 30. So then I would put another one here. 39. And there you go. So that's just an easy way that you can edit it and show your work actually on the page without having to print it out and then scan it back in. And you can do that on any of these. All you're doing is just using the features right here, like the text box or the shade, anything like that. And then when you're done, you just come up here to share. You're going to click share, and then you're going to type in, you can either type in Sarah Page, and it comes up there, or again, my email address, spage@conroeisd.net, and hit the send button and it sends it straight to me. And from there, I can comment on it, leave you guys feedback. If there's something wrong, I could leave you a note to go back and explain it or anything like that. So that's just an easy way that you can use these Google Slides and edit them so that they can be your work to share with me. All right, hope this helps.